Hello everyone, welcome to Jainam software. In this video, we will understand follow management in loan approval process. In profile loan approval, I have 8 loans. I click here and in follow I enter some comments and enter the fees which should be recovered later. Let's say some charges. For example, I click save and approve this loan. Then in another loan, I enter some other comment and let's say add charges for some specific category. I click save and I approve this loan also. I have 2 loans approved. I click this one where I had added 500 and disbursed. Loan 250 is created. I click the first one and disbursed 251. I search loan 250. In follow, I will get to know the details which I had entered while loan approval. And similarly for 251, I will get to know the details for that specific loan processing. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much.